Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make this scrunchie. I think that's its name. And for this you need a little yarn, maybe 30 grams of yarn. And you will need an elastic band and a safety pin. And I just tie these bands to side inside it, but if you want you can sew them, so you will need a needle too if you want to make it like that. And it's all. You can use your scrap yarns, and it's so easy to make. I hope you like this. And by the way, I use 4.5mm crochet hook. You can choose your own hook, of course. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. I will start with the slip knots, and I will make 50 centimeters long chains. I'm not sure how many inches. I will just look. 20 inches long. You can make it 20 inches long. I will just make my chains and turn. I made it 50 centimeters long, and try not to twist these chains. Insert into this first chain and join with a slip stitch. Then chain 2. This does not count as a double crochet or something. Insert into same place and make a double crochet. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, insert into next chain, grab the yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Okay, that's a double crochet. And I'm hiding this tail to insert into the next chain, make a double crochet, and keep making double crochets. Just put one double crochet for all the stitches you have. I'll see you at the end of the row. I complete first row. Into this first stitch, join with a slip stitch, chain 2, and into the same place make a double crochet and keep making double crochets. I will just make double crochets for 5 or 6 rows. I'm not sure actually. I can look like that. I want to make it 4 inches long, 10 centimeters long. Okay, I will make it like that. When I complete this row, I will join with a slip stitch here again and chain 2 and keep making double crochets. Just complete these rows and turn. I made this 10 centimeter long, and now at first I will turn inside out and put this together like that. This back side will be inside, and we will join these two sides. Chain 1, insert into the stitch and insert into the stitch, make a single crochet. Into the next one, make a single crochet, next one, make a single crochet. And I want to make picots. Chain 2. I will insert my hook into this front loop here, and this single crochet is left leg here. I want to show you one more time. This single crochet is front loop and single crochet is left leg. Just grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Then make 1, 2, 3 single crochet, chain 2, make a picot. 1, 2, 3 single crochets, chain 2, make a picot. I will just keep making like that. Don't finish all of them. Don't close here. Just when you reach here, wait for me. I'm almost at the end. Leave here open, and I have a safety pin and elastic band. I will insert this pin into this band. If I can. Yes. And insert this here. And I will push it like that. I think that will be enough. And I will make a knot. Now I will cut here. And there's still a little opening here. I will close here. Make 3 single crochets. Make a picot. Make 1 and 2 single crochets. Then I can make 1 more here and make a picot. Join with a slip stitch and cut my yarn here. And that's it. I made 1 more, but it's I made it with a different yarn and different elastic band, and it's not so elastic as you see, and it's too big. I think I can use it anyway, but I like this one more. I hope you like it too. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Cerin's Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.